So now the waves are starting to get bigger. Not only are they getting bigger, but a cross swell can develop in a wave that's about 1.2 metres and greater, putting more loads on our barge system. The end barge on both ends is fixed at 2 points, and the pressure of the wave on a wave that's twisting will be governed by those 2 points. Those 2 points are governed by the remainder of the barges. Effectively, what we will have is one barge wanting to do that, and the barge behind it or in front of it wanting to do that. This will be overcome in two areas. One is, because we have a hinge system incorporating pistons, we have to have a stable point here, here and here. So it's like a triangle. This always must be in alignment. So the pressure will be on the face of these waves on these barges. We have to stop the twist. The water will rise higher on one side of the barge than on the other when the wave gets angrier, or what we call a cross swell. The barge will be able to handle this because we'll again, similar to the icebreaker, have to build strength into the barge. What the water level is doing on one side and on the other will be averaged out, but it will still want to do this. We have to keep it steady. To maintain this, inside the front and back barge, we will have a space frame. Sections that interlock both front and back to give structural integrity to the barge, again, in any wave situation.
Operating at a 1.2 metre wave height, we have wavelengths of 27 metres. That puts us closest to a wave 3 system. Every 5 seconds, a single barge can develop 2.16 cubic metres of pressurised water. The 720 waves per hour times our 2.16 delivers 1,555 cubic metres, with 4 barges equaling 6,220 cubic metres. Hitting a turbine and a 6-bar head, you would develop 0.91 megawatts, and a 5-bar stored, you would deliver 0.72 megawatts. Operating at a 1.2 metre swell, where the wind's probably coming up, there's a little bit of a cross swell, more pressure would be placed on the centre barges in our system. How do we overcome these stresses and strains even on a moderate wave?